In the previous videos, we learned about the conversion of binary numbers into decimal numbers, and now we are going to start the conversion of decimal numbers into binary numbers. In this process, in this video, we are to have a discussion of conversion of decimal non-fractional number into binary numbers. And in this context, we have a simple algorithm. First, we will divide the given non-fractional decimal number by 2, and we will carry on this one. This process will be carried on. So recursively we will divide the decimal number by 2, and we will write down the remainder part besides it. So the algorithm is very simple one, and it is like this. It is like this. First of all, we will divide the number by 2, and it will be done recursively. That means regularly we will divide the number, and in the same times, we will write down the remainder. Remainder, what will be got in the by the division of the number by 2, we will write down besides to that, and that will that will end only when the quotient will become 0. The quotient when becomes 0, we will end the process of division of the number by 2. And mind it, very important part of this one is the most significant binary digit will be in the bottom, so we will write down the digits from bottom to top. So this is the process, and in this context, we take an example to understand it properly. So here I took an example. Firstly, we are going to convert 117, that is written in the decimal format, and it is obviously we took non-fractional number. So this is non-fractional decimal number, and if we want to convert it into binary number, we should divide this 117 by 2. When we divide the quotient, what we get is 5 to 10, 8, and at the same times the remainder is 1. So write the remainder here. Again divide to this 58 by 2. 2 jar, 9 jar. So this time we don't have any remainder. So write here 0. Again divide this 29 by 2, and it is, we got 1 as remainder right here. Again divide this 14 by 7, we got no remainder, right 0. Divide this 7 by 2, quotient 3 and remainder 1 right here. Divide this 3 by 2, got quotient 1 and remainder 1. Now if we divide this 1 by 2, then the quotient will be equal to 0, and the process is now comes to its end, and the remainder is 1. And just I told you that the most significant binary digit is in the bottom, so write in this direction, and got the answer 117, that is written in the decimal format, is equal to 1110, like this, 111011 in the binary system. You may check it also. It may be checked very quickly. It can be checked. I'm checking here. If we write to the number like this, 1110101 in the binary number. So as we know, if it is to be converted to decimal number, we are to multiply to this one by 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6. So this one is multiplied to the power 6, and to this one 5, to this one 4, to this one by to the power 3. So that will be equal to 0, and to this 2 to the power 2, 1 into 2 to the power 2, and to this 2 to the power 1, that will be 0, and 1 is to be multiplied by 2 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So we got 2 to the power 6, that was 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So it is 64 plus 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 30. So it is equal to 30. And this one is equal to 16. And this one is equal to 4 plus 1. And after adding these two, we must get 170. Check it. 4 plus 2, 6, 12, 16, 117. Carry 1, carry 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 5, 5 or 6, 11. And so it became 170 in the decimal system. This is the process and now it is checked. Take another example. So I'm taking to this one on next page, next sheet. So there is the question again, and now we have to convert this 136 by 10, and I'm giving you 1 minute. You pause the video and convert it into binary number, and after that one again see the solution what I'm giving here. Okay, I hope you are there with your pen and paper. So divide this 136 not the equal to, do not take the symbol as equal to. The process is like this: 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja 16, there is no carry, so 0, 2 34, no carry, 2 17, no carry, 2 8 1 as carry, sorry remainder, I mean remainder, 2 4 ja 8, so no remainder, 2 2 ja, no remainder again, 2 1 ja, no remainder. But when we divide this 1 by 2, we know that the quotient is 0, and so the process ends here. So this recursive, and here remainder is 1 mind it. So the recursive process of division by 2 is now ended here. And as we said earlier that the most significant binary digit is here in the bottom. So write in this way. So the number 136, which is written in the decimal format, is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 in binary system. So this is the answer of this question. Is this clear? I hope you will check this one also. And in the next video, we will convert the decimal fraction into binary fraction. Have a nice day.